Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Netflix subtitle font. So go ahead and hover over your account on the upper right hand side. And this has been done using the computer. So if you want to change it on your PC, you can easily do that as well. But I recommend doing it through the computer, right? So go ahead and hover over your account and click on manage profiles. You're gonna see the profiles here. If you scroll down, you can either select the current profile or another profile if you have multiple. I'm gonna use the current one and scroll down and you will see where it says subtitle appearance. Click on that. Now from here to change the font of that current subtitle, just simple click where it says font and you'll see a bunch of subtitle fonts that you can use. There's not a whole lot, but you will see the ones that you can use. Just simple click on the one that you want. And that's pretty much it. You can change the shadows if you want to make changes there as well. That's really up to you. And then quickly click and save. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.